Listen closely. That's the sound of your body losing. For years, we've been sold the same racing-style throne, promising elite comfort for marathon gaming sessions. But what if the entire idea of a gaming chair is broken? We assembled the 2026 lineup, the hyped streamer brands, the secret Amazon clones, the ergonomic alternatives. We Saturday. For 100 hours. And what our bodies told us. Sound of a supportive, smooth hydraulic lift and a comfortable, deep breath will change how you sit forever. One chair is quietly causing long-term damage. And the best seat in the house isn't a gaming chair at all. Number 1. Underseat Kaiser 3 Large Gaming Chair. The Underseat Kaiser 3 Series Premium Gaming Chair stands out in the world of gaming furniture with its exceptional design. Crafted from high-quality PVC leather and linen fabric, this chair not only looks sleek but also feels luxurious, providing a premium seating experience that gamers crave. One of the remarkable features of the Underseat Kaiser 3 is its built-in lumbar support. This ergonomic design element ensures that your back maintains proper posture for extended gaming sessions, which is crucial for preventing discomfort or strain. Additionally, the chair includes a movable magnetic neck pillow, allowing you to customize your level of support. Whether you prefer a higher or lower neck position, you can easily adjust it to suit your personal comfort needs. Number 2. Razer Iskur V2 Gaming Chair. Designed with advanced ergonomics in mind, this lumbar support chair is engineered to adapt dynamically to the weight and posture of each user. The spring-loaded mechanism is finely tuned to offer exceptional back support as you transition between various sitting positions throughout the day. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who find themselves frequently shifting their posture while working, gaming, or engaging in other seated activities. The lumbar curve of the chair is fully adjustable, allowing for personalized comfort and spinal alignment. It includes a height adjustment knob that facilitates up to 60 mm of vertical movement, ensuring that the lumbar support can be positioned precisely where it is needed. Additionally, the protrusion knob enables front and back adjustments of up to 40 mm, allowing users to customize the depth of lumbar support, accommodating a wide range of body types and preferences. Number 3. Dowinx Gaming Chair. The Dowinx Ergonomic Gaming Chair is specifically designed to provide exceptional support and comfort for extended periods, making it an excellent choice for gamers and office workers alike. It features an adjustable headrest to maintain proper posture while gaming or working, along with a massage lumbar pillow that targets lower back discomfort and promotes a healthy spine position. The thick foam cushioning enhances comfort, allowing users to remain seated for long durations without feeling fatigue. In terms of functionality, this chair is incredibly versatile with its 90 to 165 degrees reclining capability, allowing users to switch seamlessly between focused work and relaxation. The 20 degrees rocking function adds another layer of comfort, while the retractable footrest provides an option for users to fully stretch out, enhancing overall relaxation. Designed with larger users in mind, the Dowinx gaming chair features a spacious seat, reinforced steel frame, and a BIFMA-certified base capable of supporting weights up to 400 pounds. Number 4. GTPLAYER Gaming Chair. Equipped with a thoughtfully designed headrest and lumbar pillow, this gaming chair prioritizes your comfort during long hours of gaming or working. If you find yourself straining your neck from prolonged periods of looking down, the headrest is specifically crafted to alleviate that tension and fatigue. Additionally, for those moments when you're feeling weary from maintaining the same position, the lumbar pillow provides essential support for your lower back. By leaning back and utilizing the waist pillow, you allow yourself to unwind and recharge, making your sitting experience for more enjoyable and comfortable. When it comes to stability, this chair surpasses many of its competitors. While many common gaming chairs opt for plastic legs as a cost-cutting measure, we refuse to compromise on quality. Instead, we use a durable metal frame material, ensuring that the chair remains sturdy and reliable over time. To enhance your seating comfort, a supportive wooden panel has been meticulously added to the seat, providing additional reinforcement. Number 5. Modway EEI 757 BLK Articulate Ergonomic. To ensure proper assembly, it is imperative to meticulously adhere to all the detailed steps provided in the accompanying installation manual, which is conveniently located in the PDF format below. Ergonomic Office Chair. The Articulate Office Chair stands out with its reliable ergonomic support system, designed for maximum comfort during prolonged periods of sitting. It features a breathable mesh back that promotes air circulation, helping to keep you cool and comfortable throughout the day. Additionally, the chair includes passive lumbar support to maintain proper spine alignment and reduce lower back strain. The seat boasts generous padding and contouring with a thick 6-inch mesh cushion, ensuring an inviting seating experience. Reliable comfort. Crafted with productivity in mind, the Articulate chair is perfectly suited for everyday office use. Its sturdy construction provides ample support, accommodating individuals weighing up to 331 pounds. Furthermore, the chair is available in a wide array of colors, allowing for personalization to match any office aesthetic or individual preference. Your back will thank you. If you're ready to invest in your health and comfort for the long haul, every single seat from this review, the good, the bad, and the painful, is linked in the description below. Check the links for the best deals. Let us know in the comments, are you sticking with the classic gaming throne, or switching to an ergonomic secret? If this review saved your spine, give that like button some love, it supports the channel immensely. Share this with a friend who needs to hear it. For more honest gear deep dives that question everything, subscribe and hit the bell. Now, go sit properly. We'll see you in the next one.